Okay, I just thought I'll take a minute to show you some of the errors that you can encounter while crocheting this piece. I don't know if you can see the difference between the two pieces. As you can see here, this motif has got 7 petals. So this is the wrong one and this is the correct one, because we want 6 petals for the motifs. This error happened. I didn't see it until I had finished the whole motif. But anyway, I'll use this as a coaster. I'm sure it can work as a coaster. Anyway, the what happened was when I was crocheting the middle part, the center, instead of crocheting 11 double crochets into the circle, I crocheted 12. So that gave me more stitches to work with. So that's why I ended up with 7 petals. Okay, so it's very important for you to count your stitches while you're working, because if you don't count them properly, you might end up with more petals, and that will mean more sides, because these motifs have got 6 sides. I don't know if you can see the sides. So this is one side, and this is the second one, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Yeah, so it's got 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you look at the wrong one, this one it's got 7 sides. Okay, so you have issues when you try to join the motifs, because this has got more sides than the correct one. So this one is got we count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when it comes to joining, you will encounter problems. So yeah, I just thought I'll point it out to you so that you know the importance of counting the stitches, or the importance of getting your stitch count right while you are making the motifs. Because if you miscalculate or if you miscount, you end up with this. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.